Hello, good evening, everyone. Hello, good evening, everyone. Yeah, good evening, everyone. We're starting now, please. Yeah, good evening, everyone. We're starting now, please. Yeah, good evening, everyone. We're starting now, please. Thank you for joining. So you'll be doing just one for today, tonight. We have already done. Hello, if I just join now, please. Drop your comments. Drop your name in the comment section. So this is what we are going to do today. Who's calling me now? Hey, thank you very much for joining. Please, if you're just joining, drop your name in the comment section. Please, thank you. If you're just joining, I've done mine. Yeah, good evening. Please drop your name in the comment section. You're welcome. Good evening. Akin Mohamed Suleiman. Please, I cannot pronounce it. No vex. Drop your name in the comment section. Let's no. I go. You're welcome. You're welcome. Please help me tell people in the group to come to the class. The class starting now. Please. If another group, even though it's not CIT104 class group, you can tell other guys, you can share the link to other guys to join the class. Because the more people the better the class. Anthony Messi, you're welcome. Please, if this is your first time joining us in this channel, please endeavor to subscribe to the channel, like the live stream, and bring your pen and paper because you are going to write this night. For us, old people, we know how to do it. We are going to write. You ask questions, we answer the questions, please. Don't let anybody disturb you. This time for class, please. Thank you very much. Help me to share the link to other guys. so you can join us. But by the way, let's just run through a revision of last class. Or should we please, you guys give me option first. Should we just continue this unit 2 straight, or we should do revision of unit 1? Like just run through it. Which one do you guys prefer? Let me know. Should we do revision of unit 1, or we should just start unit 2 straight up? So I'm waiting for answers. You guys should talk now. Waiting for you. Hello, who is active now? I'm seeing people now. People gone out. We start at unit 1. Yeah, we start at unit 1. So I think we're going to start the class. Please, I will ask you a question. I think I missed it. Yesterday I was not available. I don't know. Network this thing. MTN network was not favoring my side. So I could not do any class yesterday night. Now I'm doing the class. That's like the 104 I went to do yesterday. That's why I'm bringing the class for today. You understand? So, you guys don't know. Should we start from okay, let's continue from this one. Yeah now. So let's start fast because time is already fast spent. I'm sorry for yesterday, guys. My network was bad. Like I bought data like even like to even do video call on WhatsApp was not even working. Join class on WhatsApp, it was annoying. I'm happy that we are here today. So we are starting with a historical overview of the computer. When you hear the word history, what comes into your mind? Shit. When you hear the word history, what comes into your mind? Please let's engage in the comment section. When you hear the word history, what comes into your mind? When you hear the word history, what comes into your mind, please? Let's engage in the comment section. Said history of computer. When you hear the word history, what comes into your mind first? I'm waiting to hear. Okay, someone says story. Okay. Mary says story. Okay. I'm waiting for other options, please. Other people should talk. When you hear the word history, what comes into your mind? Mary says story. Please, this class is going to be an engaging class. You're not going to leave it for one person. You're always asking questions and answering the questions. Okay. Someone said evolution story and development story. It has to do with evolution. Okay. Someone else, please. That's Suleiman. Please just say your opinion. You're correct. Just in your own word. What do you understand by the word history? Before you go into the history of computer, what do you understand by the word history? They say history. What do you understand by it? That's what I'm asking. Please, what do you understand by the word history first? Someone say something. Suleiman, check that your meaning of history again. Just I'm not talking about. I'm going to talk about physical history now, not basically on biology. Because what you're saying is just biologically focused. I mean, like physical this thing. Please tell other guys to come and join now. Like always when there are plenty people. Okay, someone said story of the beginning. That is good. 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 Okay, so definition. I'll just bring my what I think because all of us are correct in our own way. So I don't believe all of us are correct in our own way. So computer history can be the study of the development and evolution of computers. Yeah, it's true. That means Lemon, what you're saying is absolutely correct. What you're saying is absolutely correct. So computer history is the study of development and evolution of computers. I hope you understand what they mean by development and evolution of computers. That is the stages that the computer had to go through from one phase to another for it to become what it is today. That is what we call the history of computer. Someone a story from memories. Okay. That's the Chimezirim. How am I pronouncing it well? Story or memories. Yeah, that's correct. That's correct. Please, are you seeing my screen? Please, if you are seeing my screen, say yes in the comment section. Let me know. Or is it blurry? Can you see my screen? It's blurry. Oh shit. Is it showing now? Or is it still blurry? It's still blurry. How would they do now? Still blurry. What up now? It's not showing. What's happening today now? What's happening to the screen? Omo. Is my screen showing now? Listen now, please. It's becoming blurry again. It's bad though. But it's manageable right now. Not yet. Okay. It's better now. I think it's network. Please, if you're joining us, kindly drop your name in the comment section so we know, please. Thank you. So you know how we are going to address it if you answer questions. Thank you very much for understanding. Okay. So let's start. Please, if you have your pen and paper, please, we are going to write. Please, if you have your pen and paper, we are going to write. Please. It's showing now in my own side. It's showing now. I'm sure you must show your own. It's showing now. Showing now. Please, carry your pen and paper. You are writing now. Monica, you are welcome. Okay, I've seen blessing. Monica, you are welcome. Yeah, I know it's fine. I've seen it in my own side. It's fine now. So, I said computer history is the study of the development and evolution of computers from early calculating devices to modern computer. Let me paste it in the group. Name Omalas Global, something like that. What's your name? Please, I've written the meaning of computer history in the book there. So the computer history is the study of the development and evolution of computers from early calculating devices to modern computer systems. That is from the abacus age down to the analytical engine age, down to the modern device that we have now. That would be my computer history. Hope you guys understand now. At least you understand that one, the meaning of computer history. From the ages of abacus, what they use abacus to calculate, that is ancient days, down to analytical engine, machines, down to the laptop that we are using now, and even our smartphones, they are all computers. So that's what we mean by history of computer. So the development is divided into 6 generations based on major technological advancements. So that means you have 6 generations of computer. Like generally, you have 6 generations of computers. So let me see what they stop. So we're going to start from the first generation of computer. Please get your pen and paper, right? Starting from the first generation of computer. So that things you are meant to know. You're not meant to cram everything in your head. Know the basics. Know the basics of the generation of computer. Then you are good to go. Please, if you're active, indicate in the group that you're active. Please say in the comment section that I'm not going to. Let me repeat it again. Active. That's good. So let's continue. Let's continue. Thank you. Let's continue from the class. So we go to the first generation of computer directly. We're not going to waste time today. We go straight to the first generation of computer. So before we go there, let's just go to introduction of the computer history. Let's just do a little introduction to the computer history first. From what is in the course material, said the computer, as you know, it today has evolved over the years. An attempt is made in this unit to present in chronological order. By chronological order means from one to another, from the oldest to the newest. Of the various landmarks and milestones in the development of computer. Based on the milestones, achievement of each era, the computer evolution is categorized into generations. So when we say generation of computer, it means the history of computers, how computers has been evolved from one stage to another. How people understand that one? Is this a blurry, please? No, bad. I think it's network. It's going to clear. It's going to clear by itself. No vex. If it's blurry, it's going to clear by itself. It's network. Just listen to what I'm saying. Because everything is in a course material, but we are here to just understand what you are learning. Thank you. So when we talk about the introduction to computer history, the first thing should come into our mind should be the ancient Chinese abacus. That is the first computer device that was used in the ancient days. The ancient Chinese abacus. Then we get to Jacquard loom. we get to Jaguar Loom, we get to Charles. Okay, analytical engine. Now, analytical engine was built by a man, a scientist called Charles Babbage. Please, if you have with your pen and paper, write it down. Analytical engine was invented by a man called Charles Babbage. Please don't forget that. It's very important. If you're just joining us, please, if this is your first time joining this class, endeavor to write your name in the comment section so we know how we are going to address you. Like the live stream. If you're just joining us for the first time, please endeavor to subscribe to the channel because this is what we are always doing our classes. So we always do our revision. This student revision that we normally do by ourselves because some of us may not be able to attend the classes. So we use this one as an opportunity to learn more. Hope you guys understand what I'm saying. Thank you very much. So I said analytical engine was built by a man called Charles Babbage. Normal Charles, then Babbage, Babbage. Normal Charles, then Babbage is Babbage. Okay, Juliet, you are welcome. Oh, is it blurry? I don't know if it's network. It's going to clear. It's going to clear. They just listen. Just listen. I be writing down. That is the best thing to do for now. I think that's the best thing to do for now. So when we enter the first generation of computer, the technology of the first generation of computers was vacuum tubes. It also was the technology of the first generation of computer. Say it is vacuum tubes. That's VACUUM. Then normal tubes. Please write it down. My screen is showing now, right? Yeah, it's showing. As I was saying, please listen to me. As I was saying, the first generation of computer used a technology called vacuum tubes. Now, it was invented during the period of 1937 to 1953. Please take note. It was invented in the period of 1937 to 1953. The first generation of computer was 1937 to 1953. So just write first generation technology used vacuum tubes. The years 1937 to 1953. Now, it had enough Berry computer. Those are examples, I think. Colossus, ENIAC. Who can tell me the full meaning of ENIAC in the comment section, please? The full meaning of ENIAC. Okay, she come again. I'm coming again, Juliet. I said that the first generation of computer used the technology called vacuum tubes. Vacuum, VACUUM. VACUUM. Vacuum, then normal tubes, TUBES. Juliet, are you there? Hope you have written it. So the first generation of computer used vacuum tubes. Then it was in the year 1937 to 1953. Please don't forget. 1937 to 1953. So please go and tell me the full meaning of ENIAC. ENIAC. Can't tell me the full meaning of ENIAC. Please, I'm waiting. Electronic mechanical. Okay. Computer. But another person. Jimmy Regina has given us one. Please, another person. Let's all try. All of us try. The full meaning of ENIAC, please. Someone else should try. Please, I'm waiting now. Let's be faster so that we can get faster today. The full meaning of ENIAC. Please, someone should say it. Someone else should try. Electronic numerical. Okay. With the computer. Let me just continue.